Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a quick little review, recommendation, some tips over a product from a company called BugMD. This happens to be the cockroach catcher. So I've tried this product a few times around my shed, my barn and stuff at the house. And I said to myself, you know, I'm a professional saltwater fishing guide, and there's times in my boat, if the boat sits for a while or somebody, whether it's a client, myself, we drop food in the boat. You know, we're in Florida. We have had bugs and cockroaches in the boat before, so I started thinking, man, this would be a really great product to put inside the boat and to use. The setup is really easy. You just put the tap, it's got sticky pads, you put the food in there. It comes with all the stuff that you need. You don't need hardly anything else to catch these cockroaches. It works wonders. When I put it in my shed, you know, sometimes these cockroaches, when it gets cold down here, they just gather underneath blankets and stuff, and nobody likes a cockroach. So this product works great. It's got little bait foods here and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm able to put it in my compartments where people drop food or whatever, and it's just preventive maintenance basically. So get you some BugMD Cockroach catcher, and I think you're going to be just as happy with it as I am. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.